If you're looking for a review of the Heavenly Heat saunas, look no further. I've got one of their brand new models completely redesigned for this year. Sauna works really, really well. Preheats a little faster than a Clearlight. Got one right next to it. I've been working with Colin, the owner, for 5-6 months now. They've been refining every single thing on this guy, and I think they've got a killer product. It's a little bit cheaper than some of the other models. Depends on what style you're looking for. It has a more modern look to it, but there's something for everybody in the sauna world. There is some awesome features about this sauna. I tested it myself. Look for the long review video that's coming. It shows me evaluating the sauna, using it, sweating in it day and night. You can see over and over and over, testament to how quick this thing heats. It's beating a lot of other saunas on the market right now. Offers a great value for the price, and great people to work with. I've worked with Colin myself for 5-6 months now, pretty much constantly. You know, we've been working on refinements, doing this, doing that, and top-notch dude. I know they're going to treat you well. And if you're in the Facebook group, you can do the Certified Sauna Facebook group buy community discount. I think it's coupon code JUSTICE, and that'll get you a discount on your sauna. And you can also post pics of your install space in there, and we will help you.